So I warp the DST to Aluex now.
Looking good.
One jump back.
Chase, confirm when DST is through the hole.
DST has landed at the hole now.
Go through.
Yeah,
Confirm if the hole closes. Current C2
Hole's
static.
closed.
There is another SIG
Should
and
I
it's a
put the
gas
DST
pipe.
in cloak and somewhere?
LYG. Yes.
Occator, can you come a little bit closer?
I still see no activity in any of the Astra houses. They still don't know we're here, so the guy who is in one is still AFK. Okay, warp DPS and Logi to Forest. Forest is linked in fleet. Take the wing warp, chuck it high, thank you. When we land, anchor up immediately when we land.
Yeah, you start burning those bubbles.
One at the Isaac, one at the his C3's side.
Slap the check, slap the saber.
Left. Incoming.
Godfather, scimitar. MVD is on. MVD is on. MVD is on. We don't have ranged on the ice ammo. Godfather, scimitar is main. We need reps. Can't break. Let's try break the Hugin. Reps are not holding.
Still at those coming.
Reps are not holding. Change into the Hugin, Valnara. Thank you.
Double the initiative.
MVD is off. Anchor again. Drones in.
I'll bolt the saber.
They're coming at the hole. Short range ammo. Duo Roman Scimitar is main. Fuck, they still landed in 50. My bad on the ammo. They see me Duo Roman. One MVD cycle.
Small target.
Marsolette in Basilisk. Drones out, ECM on their logic. Stop shooting. Let's change this Hurricane. Okay, 5 seconds. Don't shoot it. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All shoot at the same time. All drones on the same target. Overheat 1 cycle, he'll die.
Yep.
Okay, stop shooting. Stop cycle. Do not shoot. Stop cycle.
Tackle.
Left.
Tackle as many as you can.
One Sleipnir is left behind.